Hello, I'm Tay. You can call me Javier, and I want to introduce myself. I'm currently 23 years old and studying information communication technology major at RSU. I'm a hardworking and energetic and willing to learn new things. And also, I'm also volunteering at Bioma Language Hub, which is a small non-profit organization in my home country. Uh, as I am an ICT student, I want to help others with their communications. The basic communication nowadays is English, and I'm fluent in it, and I want to use that as my advantage when teaching at RSC. I'll encourage my fellow students at RSU to develop their English language skills by referring to this RIC. My goal is to give something back to the RSU and create a better understanding world among diverse people. I believe I have the required skill to become a team leader at RIC.